Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 249 River Meadow Drive, an amazing investment opportunity within walking distance to RIT. I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Let's take a tour. This home features exceptional open living with beautiful hardwood floors, beam ceilings, and a white and bright kitchen. All with 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, with potential for a 4th or 5th bedroom. Enjoy a great private backyard with wooded views. It's all about the exceptional location with this property being adjacent to the Genesee River and steps away from RIT, U of R, and downtown Rochester. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 249 River Meadow Drive in Henrietta, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!